Hello friends, welcome to another new boot delivery day. Gonna start this video off with a pour of cheesy gold foil bourbon. This is a Wild Turkey 12-year limited edition from the late 80s, which, being the end of the glut, is actually much older than 12-year. It gets called the cheesy gold foil because, well, you can figure it out. They made it with some cheesy gold foil on the label. Considered by many to be one of the best bourbons ever made. Oh yeah. So it seemed appropriate to be reviewing one of the best pairs of boots ever made. I'd like to request everybody to like and subscribe. These are a Frank's Ryker. I guess it's not their newest style anymore. I guess the Rainier is newer, but still a fairly recent model by Frank's. It's the same build I did last time, relatively, aside from colors. This is a sorry. This is a 5-inch Ryker. It is not lined or anything, so that ankle area, that canvas, goes all the way through for breathability and being lightweight. Still pretty waterproof and pretty damn tough. Similar toughness, if not maybe even a little bit more than leather. Like I said, it's a 5-inch. It's a padded collar. It's got white contrast stitching throughout. It is, forgot to sniff them. Sorry about that. Excuse me. I did a leather insert, as I usually do. They are the 1977 last, the number 4, which is my favorite last by Frank's. Many people's favorite last by Frank's. I did all eyes going up. Hooks did not seem necessary on a shorter build. It covers my ankle, but doesn't really resist movement, which is exactly what I wanted in this one. I didn't need the extra support for this casual model. Plan on riding the bike with them. I like the ankle movement for doing the shifting and whatnot. White contrast stitching all around. The McKay lock stitch, of course. I did a toe cap on this one that I didn't do previously. Got the 4 in a row no space stitching that I always do. I guess a bit of my signature. I have seen like 1 or 2 other pairs that way, but I'm still in the minority on that. It's double row stitched down around the outside. They are Dr. Soul's half soles, as you can see. It's a natural color half sole, they say. I wanted it to kind of match the stitching and the canvas. It is looking a little yellow. I think I might get like a Clorox pen maybe and see if I can lighten it up a little bit. I did natural stain around the outside so that you can see the leather. They look phenomenal. Like I said, they're a lot very much like my previous build. No liner. The fabric is roughly twice as thick as normal. So their normal Ryker does have a 2-ply canvas with a stitch going through that I was able to avoid with this build. It's a 1.5-inch blogger heel, which means that it's got the angle going on that you get in a logger heel, but it's more the shape of a block. It is a shorter heel than recommended. I wanted this site for looks more so than function. The functional heel will be a 2-inch, but I was happy with it last time, so I repeated it again this time. See anything else? I didn't have holes put in my kiltie, which is something I've taken to start doing. I will put the 2 holes in myself because I think it helps keep the kiltie in place quite a bit when I line the holes up with the kiltie and the eyelet so that the kilties don't fall down. They gave me a leather no, they did not give me leather laces, and I did want leather laces, but I've got some white leather laces that I'm going to be putting on these anyway, so that doesn't matter. So very happy as usual. This hide is this is from the Law Tanning in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. They call this their Palisades. Obviously, it's blue. The Palisades is an incredible hide. Their regular bison that they sell the most of, their premium one, is called the Bighorn bison. And when they get some of the more better premium Bighorn bison hides coming through, they'll pull them aside and save them up for being able to offer the occasional Palisades run. So Palisades is an extra premium bison hide from them and is usually offered in colors that may or may not be repeated, but colors that aren't particularly a normal color for them. So I have seen blue Palisades before, but I hadn't ever seen this color blue Palisades before, and I'm really, really happy with it. The colors, when I originally saw it, I thought it was going to be a little bit lighter than this, and I'm actually happy that it's not. I liked it. It's perfect. I mean, this is, in other words, it's better. It's better than I was expecting, better than I was hoping for, and my expectations were already extremely high. So, Blue Palisades. Beautiful boots. Absolutely beautiful. I mean, Frank's knocked it out of the park as usual. So thank you, Frank. And thank you, Michelle. Thank you, Junior. Thank you, Ashton. Thank you, Jamie and Jamie. Thank you, Veronica. Thank you, Jeff. And a new name I learned about just yesterday. Thank you, William, their longtime UPS driver that got these things on their way to me. So thank you, everybody. My thank you list does continue to get longer as I meet and talk to more people in the great Frank's organization, making the best boots that I've ever seen, heard, or read about. I just can't imagine. They're just great, and they're doing great work. They're doing it the old way. They're not compromising. They're taking their time to do stuff right, and I just couldn't possibly be more thankful for everything that they do. So thanks again. Take care, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe for me. I really appreciate it. Cheers. Have a great day.